You're in Houston, which is just
Yeah.
such a like a huge market. It's the third biggest city in the country. I mean, everyone's cold calling. So how are you becoming successful over other people? I mean, it makes no sense.
Yeah. I mean, it's tough. It's tough, but again, I mean, it's really just I've done a lot of like coaching myself, just training as far as like sales goes, being able to talk to sellers compared to new guys coming in. Just being more personal with sellers, building a lot more rapport. That's a big thing that's really helped. And compared to guys just throwing out offers, stuff like that, or like a huge operation where you're passing the phone to different, acquisitions guys, your cold callers, and then the closers. Just getting personal with them, making them seem like it's just me. I'm a local guy. That's that's how I had a lot of success.
Wow. Okay. And how are you building rapport there in Houston?
It depends what kind of seller it is.
Okay.
I mean, if it's like an older seller, and of course I'd go meet them, and I'd just talk about the families, talk about their dogs or something, just stuff like that. Especially I like going on appointments, so I can pick stuff from their houses, just stuff like that. And if it's a younger seller, of course, I mean it's easier to kind of build rapport that way, just because they're more of our age. But it really just it depends. Especially the biggest thing I would say is tone.
Hmm.
With the older seller, you want to drop your tone down, be soft spoken. Compared to like a younger seller where you can use slang, crack jokes, stuff like that.
Okay. And so obviously you're getting pretty good at the sales process, the marketing. I mean, let's bring it back to cold calling here. So how are you actually right now finding these lists? Like what are some of the top lists that you're doing right now? And how are you skip tracing them?
Well, I pull. I get a lot. I get a lot of referrals, just from
Wow.
other wholesalers or even previous sellers that I've talked to, stuff like that. Also, driving for dollars, and then some other lists like pre-foreclosures, tax delinquent, stuff like that. Just the typical thing that you hear. I'm not doing anything different. And skip tracing, I hand skip trace. I don't put them through a whatever you call it, a batch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll use batch like single surge. And I'll script trace and hand dial. I haven't used a dialer in forever,
Wow.
like a year or so.
Wow. Is there a reason why you're doing that versus like a triple line dialer or something like that?
Uh, yeah, I mean, because even though I'm not hitting as many contacts, I'm able to get in touch with more people. Even though I'm not going through, so many leads, I'm able to get in touch with more people. Kind of just because I'm able to go one by one. So
I
if
agree.
one number
Probably
doesn't work,
that's what I get.
I go to a different number. I call every single number, trying to get in touch with them.
Okay. Interesting here. So what website are you using for the hand skip tracing then?
I use a lot of True People Search or batch.
Yeah. I mean, True People Search, like it's,
Yeah, people don't.
I
It's good.
dude, I can tell everyone, like I'll drive by, I see a random house, like on the way from like just one deal to the other. I'll True People Search it.
Yeah,
Pops up almost all the time. And
I
I'll ask
know.
just to make sure. I'll be like, hey, is this John Smith? Are you the owner of 123? Yes, I am.
Yeah,
I don't know how they're pulling it because I know batch does credit, but like True People Search is, if they found a way to batch it, I would, that's all I would use. I just don't, I have figured, I've spent hours trying to figure that out, but yeah,
but
that,
yeah,
that service is an absolute must.
yeah. Everybody's trying to find the best skip tracing service, and True People Search is free, and it's I think it's one of the best.
Yeah, 100% agree.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.